Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can connect any controller to your Steam account. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on where it says Steam at the top left of your screen and click on where it says settings, which will take you inside your Steam setting. From over here you can clearly see the option called controller. Click on it. Once you see controller, you can see all this option over here for controller. Make sure you enable the controllers you want. So I want Xbox controller to be connected, and I want PlayStation controller to be connected, and I want a Nintendo Switch. What you can do is just turn on all these options, alright? You don't have to look into it. Just make sure to turn on all the option. Once you do that, just cross this and reopen your Steam. Just close it and reopen it. Once you do that, you want to go on where it says library. Now once you're inside your Steam library, just hover your mouse on top of the game in which you want to, put your controller in, and just right click on it and click on this option called properties. Once you click on properties, it's going to take you over here, and over here you want to click on this option called controller. Now once you click on controller, over here at the top you can click on this, and from over here you can choose which controller you want. But as you guys can see, in this game I can use Xbox controller because it's enabled, PlayStation because it's enabled. I can even use Nintendo Switch as well. So I can use all these controller which says enabled. If any one of this says disabled, that means I cannot use that controller. In that case, the first method which I showed you to go inside your setting is go inside the setting and turn it on, and it should work. So that's how you guys can connect any controller to your Steam and play games. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.